I got an antique 1936 Singer 1588. You'll have to excuse me, I have a bit of a cold. Serial number is AE355125. I've got 6 layers of denim, 1/8 inch thick leather belt, and I'll show you the treadle works, and then I'll do a close-up showing, because it's 1588, it's got reverse stitch. So just to get it started first, see, it's all treadle power. It's got a hub on the side, so it can be fitted with a motor or a hand crank. Now we've got the belt. And there you can see that's got equal stitch. And so does the belt. Now we're going to move up, get a zoom in, and I'll show you the machine doing reverse stitch. And again, I apologize for my voice. Load it in, and then reverse. And there you have it.